Hello and good morning from Springfield Lakes. This is one of the newest suburbs of Brisbane. It's only about 25 years old when the first house being constructed, and since then it's grown, massively grown. It's right now I'm on the park, and Robert Domingue Park, and as you see, guys, there's a swimming pool here, like a lagoon. It's free to use for the public, and also there is a park for the kids to play, and that's where we are going near. So this way we are going to the kids playground, which is just a little bit further up, and this is actually quite nice walk in like a bushland, fresh air, beautiful winter day in Australia, sunshine. What more could you want? The place called Springfield Lakes, but where are the lakes? So that's where we are going next after this, and have a look around the actual lakes. They're all man-made lakes. They've been created just for the enjoyment of the local residents, people who live here, and everybody else who is visiting. So this was Springfield Lakes, guys, a quick tour of Springfield Lakes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well. Cheers, guys, see you in the next one somewhere from Australia.